Hi everyone. In today's topic we will learn about centralizing dependencies in Android. Okay, so when working with multi-module projects, for example, if your project contains multiple modules, so it's helpful to centralize dependencies in a single location rather than having them spread over to many locations like many build Gradle files. For example, for each module contains build Gradle file. Okay, so especially for the common libraries like Android support library or Firebase libraries or Glide or Picasso or Material library, you can centralize all these libraries in a single build Gradle file. Okay, so the approach is to create a separate build Gradle file in which we will define the libraries from all the modules. Okay, and we can even define version code, version name, and SDK version. Okay, compile SDK version, target SDK version. We can define each and everything in that specific and common dependency file. Okay, so first of all I will change the tree from Android to project. Okay, after this I will create a separate directory here, new directory. Okay, and I will name it as Gradle script. Okay, inside this Gradle script I will have to create a separate build Gradle file. Okay, so I will just copy this build Gradle and will paste here. Okay, right click and paste here. Okay, and I will name it as dependencies. Okay, dot Gradle. Okay, and after this I will remove everything from here and I will put build script. Okay, inside build script I will write ext, and inside this body I will I can define everything here. Okay, everything from the modules build Gradle here. Okay, so in the app level build Gradle, from here you can see that my compile SDK version is 32, so I don't have to write 32 here. I can centralize this here. Okay, so I can define it as like compile, I can name it anything, SDK version, okay, is equal to 32. Okay, so after this I will sync the project. Okay, so after the successful sync, here comes the main step. Okay, so in the apps level build Gradle, this one, okay, open it and you have to write build script. Okay, and inside the build script you have to you have to define this centralized dependency. So here you need to write apply. Okay, apply from, and here you need to give folder name Gradle script / and the file name, which is dependencies dot Gradle. Okay, so just sync it. So after the successful sync, the project will create all the backend files automatically. So after this you can just declare this centralized name into your modules build Gradle. Okay, so instead of this 32 I can just write this is clickable. Okay, so this is a Gradle property, as you can see. So just sync this and nothing went wrong. Okay, everything is fine. So just like this I can define min SDK here and min SDK. Okay, so what's this? It's 21. Okay, so after this I will sync it and I will just copy this name and will write here, instead of 21 I will just write min underscore SDK. Okay, which I've defined in the dependencies dot Gradle. Okay, so this is the way to declare all the values, but I will also show you how to declare all these dependencies inside the dependencies dot Gradle. Okay, so for that you need to open this dependencies dot Gradle, and inside here, for example, first of all we have these core libraries. Okay, so for the core libraries I will just write core dependencies. I will name it as this. Okay, is equal to square bracket, and inside the square bracket I will define all the these libraries. First of all I will copy all three and I will just paste here. So instead of implementation, I will write a specific name for this library. For example, I name it as core ktx, okay, and colon, okay. So after each dependency I will put a comma for separating them, and this will become an array, okay. So here I will write the name app-compat, okay. So here I will write material, okay. So after this I will sync the project, and I will sorry, you have to write all the libraries inside ext, okay. So I will try again, and everything will be fine, okay. So I will copy this one, the main the name of array, okay. So I will just copy this, and now you can define your libraries here, okay, like the name, the main array's name, and dot you can write core, okay. First one was core underscore ktx, okay. So after that I will delete both of them, and we will just copy paste, and we'll define app-compat and material. After this I will sync the project, and you can see that everything will be fine, okay. So this is the way of creating a separate dependencies.gradle, and inside here you can centralize all the libraries from each module here, okay. For example, if you have a separate library, okay, for example, if I create a new module like Android library, okay, my library, finish, you can see a separate library has been created, and inside this library you have another build.gradle, okay, for this library, okay. So inside here you can define these three libraries here as well, okay, like I've declared in the course build gradle. I can copy this and will just paste instead of these libraries, okay. So after this I will sync the project, and you will see that everything will be fine. So I've centralized all the libraries here in a single and a common dependencies.gradle file, and just like for example, you define all the colors in a colors.xml file, so you can access them in each of the file, okay. So just like that I have centralized all the dependencies, and after that I can access all these libraries, all these defined libraries in each of the modules build gradle file, okay. So this is the way, and if you've liked the video, so please like it and share it with your circle, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please press the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. So I will come again with some other topic and with a brief explanation, okay. So till the next time, stay blessed.